Hey there, I'm Marissa with AIS. I'm going over some common questions you may have regarding security cameras and access control within your business. Partnering with an office technology company like AIS can help excel your physical and online security. Check out the most common questions we get asked daily by our customers and prospects that will help you better understand the ins and outs of business security cameras and access control. So how much do security cameras actually cost? Your specific security solutions pricing varies based on what features you choose to implement and the type of business security needs you're looking for. With our security systems, you can choose from different security tiers that include one or multiple solutions or products. Your cost is based on a monthly contract that gives you access to 24/7 help desk support, maintenance, and warranty. It's about $1,000 for an entry-level camera, including a 5-year warranty, all the way up to a bullet camera with facial recognition ranging to about $3,000. What are the top features of these security systems? Well, there are a ton of features of our security systems. Here are the ones that stand out the most to our customers. Physical security solutions and alarms. Video surveillance and access controls are more accessible than ever to install, monitor, and maintain on just one single user-friendly platform, such as alarms, intrusion protection, panic buttons, visitor management, and indoor air quality monitoring. Our state-of-the-art integrated camera and access control security platforms allow you to monitor and prevent unwanted access from immediate threats. Easy access through cloud security. Accessing your surveillance systems through one accessible online portal makes it easy to manage while keeping eyes on your locations and assets, even if you aren't physically present. Application and software security. Not only do your networks need to remain secure, but also the applications and programs that are directly paired and linked to your security devices. Mailroom security. Modernize mailroom deliveries with a simple application to scan packages, notify recipients, and safely manage deliveries. Video intercom systems. This provides two-way audio and video communication and access controls to your facility. What's the integration and installation process like? Our biggest priority when installing your new security cameras and access control systems is ensuring little to no downtime. Our installation process can be done in different phases so that you can learn your new systems as they're implemented. If we install systems that need to integrate with your current systems, our experienced technicians can easily pair new and existing devices based on our roadmap and plan. An effective onboarding plan should include validation of cabling, location, and connectivity requirements. A typical implementation is about 30 days. Can these systems support multiple access points and locations? Yes, absolutely. With our easy-to-use online portal, it makes it so easy to manage all of your security and locations from wherever you are. As I mentioned, these are some of the most frequently asked questions that we answer each day when talking to businesses interested in security cameras and access control systems. Of course, we're here to answer more, but these should give you a better idea of what to expect when partnering with AIS. And if you want to learn more, check out our product page online or give us a call. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.